kiama gya DCP musikiriga Gachagua Kogikeria Omoswada bwe Chibese bwo mwaka oyiga bwe Chibese 2025 asatebire NIGO Omoswada omobasa omugano bwense ya Kenya. Gachagua nigatebire ebangira Omoswada oyo nigo bone gocha komoremaria omokenya kawaida nigo bono hali kurwa hokoboria gochiase abarai kwene kyankobwatira na bare koyotuguterare Omoswada oyo asatebire nigo bono horigetie bose nigo horigetie kurigeria ebyama bose korengereria nebyama byabo byagesiasa mulikito Linet Nyambane agotumanyia mange.
This is the worst finance bill in the history of Kenya. It does not deserve the light of the day. The bill is deeply detrimental. It increases heavy taxation, pressure, doubles clients' pressure, and escalates household costs.
Gukwana kurwa ase amagacho amanene yekiama gya DCP imeyomucho Nairobi n'umurai bw'ekiama ekyo Rigathi Gachagua ase atebire Omoswada bwe Chibese bwo mwaka bwe Chibubere 55 nomo 55 nebere tobwenereti gosomwa bosibwo mu Kenya. Gachagua nigo atebire Omoswada oyo nigo rengete komenta ebango gocha asomo Kenya asatebire kiama gya DCP tikego.
The government revenue collections have consistently fallen short of targets, yet the response has been to introduce new taxes and illegal levies rather than addressing inefficiencies, broadening the tax base, or stimulating economic growth. This creates a cycle where businesses and citizens are repeatedly asked to shoulder a heavier burden to compensate for unrealistic fiscal planning. The second concern is a proposal to move certain products from zero-rated to VAT exempt status, including solar products, electric mobility equipment, locally assembled mobile phones, and animal feeds. While this may appear neutral on paper, it effectively increases costs because producers can no longer recover input VAT. The inevitable result is higher prices for consumers, farmers, and businesses. At a time when Kenya should be encouraging renewable energy, agricultural productivity, and digital inclusion, these proposals move in the opposite direction. The proposed 16% VAT on digital payment service provider commissions is another regressive measure. Kenya has become a global leader in financial inclusion because mobile money and digital payments have reduced transaction costs and expanded access to financial services. There will be more pain at M-Pesa shops and ATM machines.
Chingakie checho Gachagua omochirie serikali asogusinywa kumurekera amaganio y'Abakenya na goteba serikali ya Ruto yabekire chisira chinene asegeka kiemyaka 3.
A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. In any case, a nation's greatest resource is its people. These people must be healthy and productive. Despite suffocating critical sectors, the government continues to increase allocations to non-essential expenditures. The presidency and State House have continued to expand up to 17 billion in this year's budget. This is funding opulence and corruption. What does State House need Kenya shilling 17 billion for? Are there schools and hospitals in State House?
Nonya nabo omochirie serikali ya Kenya kwanza asoko ombia sekta ye chisemi oboremi nabo igo obochenu asatebire chisekta echo nigo chiare maire mono.
Kenya's priority sectors are education, health, and agriculture. These sectors touch every Kenyan and every facet of our lives. Previous informed and caring governments gave priority and adequate funding to these sectors. During the Grand Coalition administration, education continuously received between 20 and 25% of the national budget, making it one of the government's highest priorities. Under the Jubilee administration of President Uhuru Kenyatta, education remained a major priority, receiving between 24 to 27% of the national budget. Under Mr. William Ruto, education funding has fallen to 16.2% of the budget. This drop is felt directly by the parents who are being forced to pay for primary and secondary education, school, college, and university education. Under the budget estimates of 2025-2026 financial year, agriculture remains at crossroads. Traditionally, agriculture has been the backbone of our economy. The sector has been traditionally been receiving between 4% to 6%. Under this regime, agriculture has been grossly defunded. Only 2% of the total budget has been allocated to this sector.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi irietaria ne Linet.